Hi friends, how are we doing today? Welcome back to another video. Thank you for clicking. Thank you for your time. I have okra soup, a favorite of mine and most Ghanaians. Okra soup, very simple, inexpensive yet delicious, nutrition packed meal. So I have we'll talk about the ingredients as we go along. I'm going to season the meat with onions, pepper. I don't want it too spicy, so I make it, you do you with the peppers. This ghost pepper is super spicy. So I take off the seeds so my baby can eat. I use half, and then I have a bell pepper, garlic, any seasoning you want. I want to keep it simple this time. And then we blend it. We have the meat, any kind of meat you have. I have goat, cow foot, goat intestine, and willy or cow skin. All your salt goes in at this time, and your Maggi seasoning. So today I blended, put it back in, and we're going to boil it for the seasoning to penetrate the meat. With okra doesn't like, what I learned from my mom is that okra does not like too much heat, and it doesn't like tomatoes also. So because I realized that with tomato and okra, it doesn't give you the sliminess that you want. So here I cut the okra, and blend it with pepper. You can chop it, grate it, however you want. Blend it. So after blending, I boil it in a separate container. And add some baking soda, salt, and crayfish or herring powder. And then just activate the slime. Activating the slime by stirring, and then let it boil. It's been cut into little pieces, so it's going to cook faster. You stir the meat so it doesn't burn. And then I'm going to thicken the soup with carrot. Because I'm not using tomatoes, I'm using carrot, I'm using broccoli pieces, and some onion, which I'm going to use to thicken the soup, to give the soup some substance, some body. So that goes in, cover it up. We're saving time and gas here by doing everything in one pot. The times that we're living in is not easy. Everything is so high, food prices, gas prices. So in my opinion, if you can save on anything and still be nutritious and healthy, go for it. So the crayfish goes into the okra mixture now. We boil it. When it boils over, when it starts to boil, we turn the stove off, because it's going to continue to cook whilst it's standing or sitting. Now we're going to fetch the ingredient, our soup thickness out. Sorry for my voice, I'm just getting over a cold. It's very cold here and windy, as you can hear. So we blend it with some water. The fish goes in. So the blended mixture goes in. You want to wash the blender with a little water and get everything out. Not necessary, but hey. And then I put palm oil zomi. I don't like regular palm oil because it sleeps on your tongue and it's not a good feeling, at least for me. So I use palm oil. I have some green onions and some leaves that I got from my garden. I'm just gonna add it. I have momone goes into the oil because you want to take the fishiness out. I know, am I talking too much? And then we put the oil mixture into the soup. And then that's it. You can put more oil, less oil, no oil. That's totally up to you. And then we let it boil away. Soup is almost done. Okra goes in. And the delicious, it smells amazing, is done. I just want to say thank you all for your kindness and your time. Thank you for the gift of support and helping me reach 1,000 subscribers. We are on this journey together apart. God bless you all, my new and old subscribers. And okra soup is done. I had some benkun. I want to reheat it, make some holes in it, and then wet paper towel goes into microwave. Couple of minutes and it's like new benkun again. It's amazing. And then when the okra boils over, okra is done, soup is done. No long talk. It's ready. Enjoy. God bless you all. I love you. And I want the best for you. God wants the best for you. Let's keep the faith and everything's going to work out.